Look at me! Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me? I do! All of me!
Shouting in the choir, you're not alone. We listen to the demons.
If this is the Hunmun I'm supposed to protect, I'm glad to see it destroyed.
You think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the Hunmun is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.